So there we go, the back subframe is now off. We can have a look at what is, and we can have a look at the condition. We'll strip it down, repaint it, replace the shocks, replace the control arm. So replace the shock, replace the control arm, replace the bush in this end, because I'm no doubt it's knackered. There you go. So as you can see, got that bush is knackered. Let's move down here. Let's have a look. That bush will get replaced. I need to get that bolt out. Shock doesn't look too bad. Oh, my God, it's heavy. Need to try and get the carriers off. Need to get the subframe off the arms. So let's have a look under here then. Now I can have a better look. Not too bad under there. Hoping to be able to get in and do this now. Thankfully, it's not bad under there, which is a relief. And I need to try and get that bolt out of there, which will be fun. Look at the state of that. I wonder it won't come out. And of course, same the other side. That one's not too bad actually. I might get that out with a blow lamp and some heat. I had to cut the brake pipes here, so I think they're joined over there. Is that a join there? Nope. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to cut the brake pipes here, put a join in, and then run 2 new pipes to the back. But while I'm here, I may, depend on where they go, just replace the whole brake pipe. But at least the subframe is now off. Thank God. That put up one hell of a fight. That's for sure. All that just so that I can clean under here. We've cut the hole out here. We've cut the hole out on the other side. And we need to just start welding plates in. But yes, by the day this car gets more and more stripped. I do ask myself the question, will it ever be finished? But I guess only time will tell. So I think that's it for tonight. As you can see, we have a lot of rusty bits, a lot of bits I need to reuse. Somehow I've got to get those bolts out of there. Somehow I need to get that bolt out of there. But I think we're winning. Got some more welding to do, a lot of painting, but hopefully this car will go again. If you like what you see, then please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.